In this video, you'll learn how to add a new page and set up questions in Google Forms. Let's start by creating a new form. This gives you a blank canvas to begin designing your survey or quiz. Next, type your initial comment or title in the input field to introduce the purpose of your form. To add your first question, select from the available options, then start typing your question. This lets you gather specific responses from form users. And add a new question. Now expand answer choices by selecting the Add Option field and pick from the available options to customize answers for your respondents. You can add section and edit section titles or add descriptions to organize sections and provide context. Afterward, continue adding questions and options to build a multi-page form. If you need more flexibility, use the Add Option fields to let users respond freely or include additional choices, ensuring versatility in your questionnaire. Finally, preview your form to see how users will experience it. Now simply click Next, and you'll be taken to the next page. Once satisfied, submit the form to save your changes and complete the setup. You've now seen how to create and organize new pages in Google Forms.